Measure the focal length of a converging lens. Measure focal length by the displacement method. 2. Apparatus. Apparatus, light source, converging lens. Optical bench. 3. Key theory. Key theory. A convex lens is thicker in the middle. It focuses light rays. Rays meet at the focal point. 4. Lens. Formula lens. Formula 1 over F equals 1 over U plus 1 over V, where F equals focal length times U equals object distance times V equals image distance 5. Method 1. Approximate focal length. Method 1. Approximate focal length 1. Focus a faraway object on paper. 2. Use a meter stick. 3. Estimate the focal length. 4. Record the value. 6. Method 2. Object and image distances. Method 2. Object and image distances. Diagram labels. U equals object distance times V equals image distance times F equals focal length. Table headings. Trial object distance. U image distance. V focal length. F for meme. 1, 2, 3, 7. Method 3. Displacement method setup. Method 3. Displacement method setup. Labels. Object L1, L2, screen X equals object screen separation. L1 equals first lens position. L2 equals second lens position. D equals L2 minus L1. Numerous 8. Displacement method. Formula. Displacement method formula. F equals x squared minus d squared over 4x. Instruction. Measure x and d, then calculate Fe. Number 9. Displacement method. Data table. Displacement method. Data table. X, L1, L2, D and L2, L1. Open parenthesis x squared minus d squared. Close parenthesis F10. Graph and analysis. Graph and analysis. Calculate the average focal length. Plot. Open parenthesis x squared minus d squared. Close parenthesis versus open parenthesis x. Close parenthesis. Find the slope. Use the slope to calculate focal length. Graph labels. Vertical axis. X squared minus d squared. Horizontal axis. X. Slope equals 4f. Nuff. 11. Key takeaway. Key takeaway. A converging lens focuses light rays, and its focal length can be measured using distances, formulas, tables, and graphs. A lens turns light paths into measurable physics. Experiment 10. The lens converging lens. Focal length. Displacement method. Experiment 10. The lens converging lens. Focal length. Displacement method. Core idea. A converging lens bends light rays and brings them to a focal point. We measure distances and use formulas to find the focal length